Hello, today we will guide you through how to import and export signatures in Microsoft Outlook. We'll work in Outlook on the web so you can quickly create a signature and know exactly where your signature settings live for future management, including moving signatures between devices or accounts. Start by opening your Outlook mailbox in your web browser and make sure you're on your main inbox view. Once you can see your messages, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click it to open the settings panel. From here, select the account area. This section brings together options related to how your Outlook experience is personalized. Inside Account, find and choose Signatures. This is the hub where all your email signatures are stored and edited. If you're setting this up for the first time, the page will be mostly empty. If you've used signatures before, you'll see any existing ones listed here so you can reuse or adjust them. Choose Add Signature to create a new one. You'll typically be prompted to name your signature so you can identify it later, which is helpful if you plan to maintain more than one. In the signature editor, type your sample signature. Keep it clear and professional. Include your name, role, and appropriate contact details, and consider adding your organization and a short tagline if it adds value. You can format your text with basic styling like bold or italics, adjust font size, and add line breaks to keep the layout readable. If you use a logo or image, make sure the file is optimally sized so it doesn't bloat your emails, and that it displays well in dark and light modes. As you type, think about consistency. Use a simple font that's widely supported, limit color to one accent if needed, and avoid large images or complicated layouts that may not render the same in every email client. If you collaborate across regions, you might prepare a concise legal disclaimer or note, keeping it short to maintain a clean look. When your signature looks the way you want, click Save. Outlook will confirm your changes and store the signature in your account so you can choose it while composing emails. You can return to the Signatures area anytime to edit, duplicate, or remove it. Keeping all your signatures in this single location makes it straightforward to manage them and, when needed, handle moving them between environments. That's it. You've reached the signature settings, created a new signature, and saved it for use in Outlook on the web. Thanks for following along.